Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact policy you violated and gathering proof. Open the YouTube Studio Notice, note the violation type and affected video ID, and download any relevant footage or transcripts. Once done, make sure your channel meets partner or appeal prerequisites and that your account details are up to date. Prepare an organized list of timestamps and a short explanation of intent and context. This will be the foundation for your edit and potential appeal, saving time later. Next, perform targeted fixes to comply with the policy. Cut offending clips, add blurs or voiceovers, and correct any misleading metadata. Explain why the change resolves the issue in a short description and add attribution or rights info where needed. Once edits are complete, export new files with clear names and keep an edit log that shows what changed and why. This documentation both prevents repeat violations and supports a clearer appeal if manual review is required. Finally, submit an appeal that directly states what you changed, why those edits address the policy, and include timestamps and links to new versions. Keep your tone factual and concise. Avoid emotional language. Monitor your email and YouTube Studio for the reviewer's decision and be prepared to respond within any given time frame. If the appeal fails, use your documented changes to make further edits or request a human review. And consider consulting creator support for repeat or ambiguous violations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.